Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Slide out the mechanical key and feel the seam where the fob splits. Use a small flat screwdriver in that seam. Apply gentle pressure to pry open the two halves. Listen for the click so you know the plastic is disengaged rather than stressed. Once opened, set the cover and mechanical key aside on a clean surface to prevent loss. This step exposes the battery and pins. Doing it carefully protects the circuit board and makes the rest faster and safer. Next, remove the old CR2032 while noting its orientation so you insert the new one the same way. Use a plastic pry tool or your fingernail to lift the battery out. Avoid metal tools that can short the contacts. Clean the battery cradle briefly with a dry cloth if there is grime, because good contact ensures reliable signals. Insert the new battery with the correct side up, pressing until it snaps into place. Make sure the battery sits flat and the contacts align for consistent power delivery. Finish by aligning the two halves and snapping them together until all tabs lock. Do not force a misaligned cover because it can break clips. Reinsert the mechanical key. Walk 3 to 5 feet away and press lock and unlock to confirm the new battery works. You should hear the doors or see the lights flash. If the fob does not respond, open it again to reseat the battery or gently clean the contact pads with a small amount of isopropyl on a swab. Then retest once dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.